Today I want to talk about something you may have seen and may not be familiar with. It's a good old-fashioned hand screw. These have been around for decades, even 100 years or more. And when you first look at them, you might think they're a little bit complicated to operate. But let me tell you what, these things become so handy in the shop. To operate a hand screw clamp, I take a look at it and I orient it so that the bottom handle is in my right hand. Here's facing my right. And then I put the opposite hand on the other handle, and then I start doing a bicycle maneuver. If I bring that bottom handle towards me, if I'm looking like this, it would be counterclockwise. I end up loosening the screw or the clamp. If I go the opposite direction, you can see the jaws start to come together again. So what advantage does a hand screw have? Well, let me show you a couple applications. So one application for a hand screw is the ability to angle the jaws to clamp irregular workpieces. For example, I have this table leg here, and you can see the jaws match the angle of the taper. And I do that just by adjusting each handle until the jaws match up with that taper. Now I could take this to the drill press and drill some holes or work on some carving or whatever I need to do, because that piece is held secure. Another application for a hand screw clamp is clamping a workpiece to the workbench. My workbench right here does not have a face vise to be able to clamp a workpiece so that I could work on it. Maybe make a saw cut, do some chiseling or planing or whatever. So what I did was I clamped my workpiece in the hand screw, and then I clamped the hand screw to my bench top using a conventional clamp. Now I can securely hold that workpiece and get to work and do whatever I need to with it. Another application is, let's say your workbench doesn't have the ability to support a long workpiece for planing. So what I did here, a similar operation as before, I clamped the hand screw to the end of my board. Now I've got a way to support that workpiece on edge, so if I need to plane it or do any other operation on the edge, my workpiece is held securely and upright, and it makes the job nice and easy. So there are endless possibilities for using a hand screw clamp in your shop, and once you get used to using them, you'll wonder how you ever did without them.